Have you ever poured your heart into a prayer only to feel unheard? You bargain, you plead, you might even cry out in frustration. But still, the silence lingers. Many people struggle with this feeling of unanswered prayers. They question their faith, their worthiness, even their connection to a higher power. It can be a lonely and isolating experience. The weight of unanswered prayers can be crushing. We yearn for guidance, for comfort, for a sign that we are not alone. But when our pleas seem to vanish into the void, it's easy to lose hope. We begin to doubt the power of prayer itself. The very act that should bring us closer to the divine can leave us feeling lost and disconnected. This struggle is often amplified by the world around us. We are bombarded with messages of instant gratification, of getting what we want when we want it. When our prayers don't receive an immediate response, it can feel like a failure. We compare our experiences to others and wonder why their prayers seem to be answered while ours remain unanswered. In this video, we will dive into details. Make it ensure you watch this to the end. But before we go further, please like, share, subscribe, and comment your opinion on today's topic, the surprising benefits of using gratitude words in prayer and affirmations. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a conscious choice to focus on the good in our lives. When we approach prayer with gratitude, something remarkable happens. Our focus shifts from what we lack to what we have. We move from need to peace and contentment. We tap into a source of strength and resilience. Words are more than just sounds we make with our mouths. They are powerful vessels of energy, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and reality. Every word carries a unique vibration that influences the world around us. In spiritual practices, words bridge our human experience and the divine. Words are revered for their sacred power. Ancient mantras and prayers point to the transformative potential of language. Engaging with words with intention can uplift our spirits and guide us. The power of words in spiritual practices stems from their ability to resonate within us at a deep, subconscious level. Our subconscious minds are like sponges, absorbing the messages we feed them, whether positive or negative. Every word we hear, speak, or think creates an imprint on our subconscious, shaping our beliefs, habits, and perceptions of the world. When we engage in spiritual practices that involve words, we are essentially communicating directly with our subconscious minds. Prayer, for example, can be seen as a form of conscious self-talk, where we bypass the critical filters of our conscious minds and speak directly to the core of our being. This allows us to access a deeper level of wisdom and intuition, connecting us with the divine spark that resides within each of us. Affirmations work in a similar way, using repetition and positive language to reprogram limiting beliefs and install empowering new ones. By consistently repeating affirmations that align with our desired outcomes, we gradually shift the landscape of our subconscious minds, creating new neural pathways that support our goals and aspirations. However, the true power of words in spiritual practices lies not just in the words themselves, but in the energy and intention behind them. If we mumble a prayer without really meaning it, or repeat an affirmation with doubt and skepticism, we are unlikely to experience their transformative effects. Gratitude is more than just a feeling. It's a language that speaks directly to the heart of the divine. It shifts our perspective from lack to abundance, tapping into limitless possibilities. Imagine a prayer from desperation versus one from gratitude. Gratitude-infused affirmations align our energy with abundance. Gratitude at its core is the simple yet profound act of acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives. It's about recognizing the blessings, both big and small, that grace our days, and approaching life with a heart filled with thankfulness. In the tapestry of human experience, gratitude is the golden thread that weaves together moments of joy, connection, and contentment. Gratitude words, then, become the language of this heartfelt appreciation. They are the thank yous, the I'm so grateful fors, and the I appreciate yous that we offer freely and sincerely. These words, though seemingly simple, carry a potent energy, shifting our focus from what we lack to the abundance that already surrounds us. In the context of prayer and affirmations, gratitude words take on an even deeper significance. They transform these practices from mere rituals or wishful thinking into powerful acts of co-creation with the divine. When we approach prayer and affirmations with gratitude, we open ourselves to receiving blessings in unexpected ways, aligning our energy with the flow of abundance that permeates the universe. Imagine, for a moment, the difference between saying, "I wish I had more money," and "I am so grateful for the financial abundance that is flowing into my life." The first statement comes from a place of lack, a longing for something that feels out of reach. The second, however, vibrates with the energy of gratitude, acknowledging the good that is already present while also inviting more abundance to manifest. The transformative power of gratitude extends far beyond our spiritual practices. When we cultivate a grateful heart, it ripples outward, positively impacting every aspect of our lives. Our relationships deepen, our health and well-being flourish, and we find ourselves navigating life's challenges with greater resilience and grace. One of the most profound ways in which gratitude transforms our lives is by shifting our perspective. When we focus on the good, we train our minds to notice and appreciate the blessings that surround us, even amidst difficulties. This shift in focus allows us to experience greater joy, contentment, and inner peace, regardless of external circumstances. Moreover, gratitude fosters a sense of connection to ourselves, to others, and to something greater than ourselves. When we appreciate the good in our lives, we acknowledge that we are not isolated individuals, but rather interconnected beings, part of a vast and intricate web of life. This sense of connection nourishes our souls, reminding us that we are loved, supported, and never truly alone. Scientific research has even shown that practicing gratitude offers a multitude of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Studies have linked gratitude to improved sleep, reduced stress and anxiety, increased levels of happiness and well-being, and even a stronger immune system. At the heart of gratitude lies a deep recognition of the abundance that already exists in our lives. Aligning with gratitude tunes us to the frequency of abundance, inviting more into our experience. It's like tuning our internal radios to prosperity, love, and joy. Focusing on gratitude shifts our energy from lack to abundance. We see the world through a lens of possibility, recognizing infinite potential. This perspective shift opens us to receiving blessings in unimaginable ways. Prayer transcends organized religion, becoming a personal dialogue with the universe. It's a sacred space to connect with our authentic selves. We seek guidance, solace, and strength. Imagine yourself in a quiet room, turning inward. Your breath anchors you, each inhale and exhale a reminder to be present. You're simply speaking from your heart. This act of surrender is deeply healing. We let go of control, acknowledging we're not alone. In silence, we receive guidance and hope. Prayer is a two-way conversation, nurturing our spirits. Affirmations are powerful declarations we make to ourselves, choosing the thoughts and beliefs we want to cultivate. They are seeds of intention planted in our subconscious, nurtured with repetition and belief. Just as a seed holds the blueprint for a tree, affirmations can transform our lives. Speaking affirmations aloud declares our truth and worthiness. Each affirmation replaces limiting beliefs with empowering truths. Repetition and belief unlock the transformative power of affirmations. Nurture affirmations with faith, knowing they are taking root within us. Focus on strengths and resilience to overcome obstacles and create a life of joy and purpose. Section 3. The Dance of Intention and Gratitude. Combining prayer and affirmations creates a powerful synergy, amplifying our intentions and accelerating spiritual growth. Prayer, infused with gratitude, becomes a heartfelt expression of appreciation and trust in a higher plan. Affirmations, woven with gratitude, align us with abundance, making it easier to manifest desires. This combination creates a virtuous cycle, paving the way for greater blessings. Cultivating gratitude opens us to miracles and opportunities for growth. Section 1. A Heartfelt Symphony. Imagine prayer as a symphony, with gratitude as the powerful notes that elevate it. Starting prayers with gratitude shifts focus from lack to abundance. Counting blessings creates a ripple effect, opening hearts to more joy and peace. Gratitude in prayer is about truly feeling appreciation for life and love. Infused with gratitude, prayers become powerful expressions of faith and trust. Section 2. The Healing Power of Thankfulness. Gratitude in prayer has a profound healing effect on our minds, bodies, and spirits. It shifts our energy from fear to love, creating inner peace and resilience. Scientific studies show gratitude decreases stress and improves well-being. Gratitude in prayer acts as an antidote to fear and anxiety, offering hope. Expressing gratitude helps heal old wounds and release negative patterns. Traditionally, many approach prayer with a list of requests. Gratitude transforms prayers from petitions to expressions of praise. Saying thank you acknowledges the strength within, empowering us. Gratitude in prayer recognizes we are supported by a greater universe. This perspective shift allows us to trust in a higher power's guidance. Prayers of gratitude open us to receiving blessings in unexpected ways. Affirmations are powerful declarations that reshape our reality. Infused with gratitude, affirmations become potent tools for manifestation. Gratitude shifts affirmations from wishful thinking to powerful declarations. The universe responds to our energetic vibration, not just words. Gratitude aligns us with the frequency of our desires, aiding manifestation. Affirmations with gratitude transform hopeful wishes into truths. The magic of gratitude-infused affirmations lies in gratitude and belief. Gratitude opens our hearts to receive, while belief empowers us to create. This synergy transforms our lives from the inside out. Gratitude shifts focus from lack to contentment, essential for manifestation. Belief is the faith that our desires are possible, even unseen. Combining gratitude and belief creates an irresistible force for change. Cultivating gratitude is a powerful way to manifest abundance. Gratitude acts as a magnet, attracting joy and fulfillment. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine, focusing on small blessings. Notice and appreciate good things throughout the day. Infuse affirmations with gratitude, aligning with the frequency of manifestation. Expressing gratitude for future blessings makes them more likely to materialize. Science shows gratitude rewires our brains for happiness and resilience. Gratitude activates the prefrontal cortex, enhancing emotional regulation. It also activates the hypothalamus, promoting calmness and well-being. Gratitude increases dopamine and serotonin, boosting mood and motivation. These changes improve emotional stability and resilience. Practicing gratitude literally rewires our brains for well-being. Gratitude boosts serotonin, promoting calmness and happiness. Increased serotonin improves sleep, reduces anxiety, and boosts immunity. Gratitude changes brain structure, enhancing emotional regulation and empathy. Practicing gratitude rewires our brains for happiness and resilience. Gratitude improves physical health, happiness, and relationships. It enhances our ability to cope with stress and adversity. Gratitude transforms our mental and emotional well-being. It counters negativity bias, helping us focus on the positive. This shift brings joy, contentment, and peace of mind. Gratitude fosters appreciation and stronger connections. It inspires kindness and generosity, impacting the world positively. Gratitude is a spiritual practice, a pathway to deeper self-awareness, and a gateway to the soul. It shifts our focus from the ego's constant striving for more to a place of quiet appreciation. we begin to see that we are integral parts of a vast and interconnected web of life. This realization fills us with awe, wonder, and deep gratitude for the gift of being alive. The journey of gratitude awakens us to life's sacredness. As we cultivate gratitude, our hearts expand and our spirits blossom. We see the world through eyes of love and compassion. Challenges become growth opportunities. Gratitude is an ongoing process of unfolding. We shed fear and doubt, allowing our true selves to emerge. We become more authentic and aligned with our soul's purpose. This transformation unfolds organically through gratitude. Reflect on the beautiful tapestry we've woven together. We began with the silent struggle of unanswered prayers. Gratitude emerged, offering a glimmer of hope. Gratitude rewires our brains for happiness and resilience. It transforms prayers into powerful acts of co-creation. Gratitude shifts our perspective to abundance. It's a state of being, a way of life. Recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Focus on the good, even amidst difficulties. There is always something to be grateful for. The beauty of gratitude is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of our background or circumstances. It's a simple act of acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives. Find joy in the everyday, express thanks to loved ones, and appreciate life. Gratitude is about taking small, consistent steps each day. Make gratitude a conscious choice, a habit of the heart. Start with simple practices. Keep a journal, write thank you notes. Express appreciation to loved ones. Reflect daily on what you're grateful for. Gratitude attracts more abundance, joy, and fulfillment. The universe responds to our energy. Gratitude is the highest frequency. With a grateful heart, we open ourselves to miracles and blessings. Gratitude brings strength, resilience, and inner peace. Embrace gratitude and watch your life transform. Let gratitude be your guide on this extraordinary journey.